Hi everyone, welcome back to another video at Fit and Fierce Nito. Today we are training our lower back. Starting with the first variation of lower back extension, lift upper body using your lower back. Connect your mind to lower back, so you actually using your lower back to lift yourself up, and make sure to keep your neck in line with the back and don't lift it too high because that will cause you arching in the back. Moving on to the next variation of back extension. In this one we are actually on an elevated platform, again doing the same movement as before where we are lifting our upper body using our lower back and focusing our mind to that lower back section, coming up and pausing for a second and slowly lowering your back down. Now in this one we are only moving lower part of our body, so I am laying flat on an elevated platform. Try and hold on to something with your hands so you have that perfect balance, and then slowly lift your legs up just so you are lifting it in line with your back, not too high because we don't want to arch the back. Moving on to our Supermans, and now you are just laying flat on the ground and we're basically lifting the upper and the lower body together in this one, focusing all our mind to muscle connection to that lower section of your back. Slowly lift up, pause for a second and slowly drop down, focusing on squeezing that lower back. Moving on to the next exercise, we all know these as glutes bridge, but here we are going to take our focus away from glutes and going to focus completely on our lower back. So exactly the same movement, you using your lower back, you lift yourself up, squeeze your lower back section and slowly drop down. Make sure you're doing it very nice and slow so you can actually put all your mind to your lower back. Now just lift high enough so your whole body comes in line and you're not lifting too high or arching your back. Last but not the least, we have our alternate arm and leg raise. Okay, make sure to keep your core nice and tight and focus at a point so you can lift both your arm and leg at the same time while maintaining that balance, concentrating on squeezing that lower back. This was it for today guys. Do perform these moves to strengthen your lower back and get rid of any lower back pain as well.